So yesterday I walked from Tennoji to Namba. It took about 3 hours, but I think it should be done shorter, but I guess I spent too much time on food and cafe along the way. So I'm gonna continue the rest of the trip today and I'm gonna finish it up. So today I'm gonna walk from Namba to Umeda and stopping by Osaka Castle, all on foot. So let's go. I am about 10 minutes walk away from but a lot less people and it's actually pretty nice. The weather here is now around 22, which is very nice. If you're thinking about coming to Japan, maybe this is a very good timing. But the thing is, it's a little bit too early for the cherry blossom. So if that's what you're came here for, maybe you should come a little late. But as for the weather, I think this is perfect timing. And now I'm at Matsuyamachi. There are lots of shops that sells Japanese doll called Nihon Ningyo. This place is known for the Japanese doll. And I still have 2.5 kilometers. Okay, that's a lot. I think I can do it. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's just nice weather. So the big building right there is NHK Osaka. So that's TV station. So there's a museum inside too. Right, finally I'm at the Osaka Castle Park. There's a minibus that can take you to the Osaka Castle. So this park is pretty big, so I mean you can walk but you can take a bus too. It's 300 yen for one ride. It's a 4:46 Wednesday. It's a weekday, but there are a lot of people here, a lot of tourists. So in the park, there's a convenient restaurant too, so you can eat and just chill in the park. So I'm gonna walk up to the castle. So there's actually you can get inside the castle. Well, I'm not gonna get in today, but if you get in, there's a museum. And so you can go all the way up to the castle and see the view of Osaka City. So just take a look at the Osaka Castle really quick and head to Meda. It's getting kind of dark. People huts. 200 yen for the entrance. I think I'm down with the Osaka Castle in the back. So it's 5:30. I should probably head to Meda now. I'm already pretty tired. So from Namba, it was about 40, 50 minutes walk. It's totally doable, but of course you can take train. It's much faster, so that'll be much easier. But yeah, Osaka Castle was absolutely worth visiting. So now let's go to the final destination. I guess it's the time of the sunset. This is very beautiful. It's about 1 hour walk from Osaka Castle to Meda. So that's still doable. Alright, looks like I'm gonna have to cross this bridge. Alright, here we go. Alright, so according to this Google map, I'm gonna walk this riverside pass for a while. So this is Osaka's office area, so there's many tall buildings. This area is called Nakanoshima. There aren't many touristy places, but it's very quiet and peaceful. Perfect place for a walk. Especially in the nice weather like this. It's just one station away from Meda. There are some nice restaurants by the river. I finally got to the sky building. That was pretty far. It took about 1 hour. Finally did it. So I went to 5 famous sightseeing spots in Osaka in 2 days. That was pretty fun. So that's all. Thank you so much.